Most people walk into a living room, an entryway, or an awkward hallway, stare straight at a giant, empty, soul-sucking void on their partition, and freeze in terror of choosing the wrong style, wasting money, or committing to a million nail holes. A senior designer recognizes a structural plane waiting to be shocked into architectural purpose. Today, we are performing material alchemy on our vertical boundaries. We are moving entirely past the amateur mistake of hanging small, disconnected frames from a distance, which only makes a home feel unfinished, haphazard, and inert, and revealing the strict structural logic behind wall decor DIY ideas for 2026. We are converting simple supplies into an interconnected geometric skeleton that transforms blank surfaces into intentional focal points. If you're ready to learn how to tell your empty walls who's boss using simple, efficient methods that reflect your unique taste without ruining your purse, your home, I'm Beki. And this is the Vertical Axis Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is Tuesday, June 30th, 2026. And we are completely shifting how we solve real wall problems for modern living spaces. In 2026, styling an impactful interior isn't about buying expensive, ready-made gallery art that doesn't exactly fit your scale. It is the atmospheric curation of texture, color, and cost-effective supplies that make a room feel deeply lived in, personal, and stylish. Whether you are a seasoned DIYer, or just dipping your toes into home decor, many homeowners and renters are now choosing smart purchases of simple supplies as a long-term decor investment. Today, we blend architectural discipline with your unique vision to give everyday elements an undeniable tactile integrity. Let's step into the alchemy. The Intentional Wall Masterclass. 1. The philosophy of the intentional vertical plane. In the world of Beki decor, a home can never feel fully realized if your vertical boundaries remain an empty, soul-sucking void. This is precisely where we apply material alchemy. When you stare at your walls and something feels off, it is usually because the elements are too incidental rather than intentional. You are missing a few fundamental layout rules. You are not a terrible decorator. Blank walls hold a weird power to make a space feel entirely unfinished, no matter how much effort you put into the furniture. In 2026, we challenge this awkward emptiness entirely. Decorating your home does not have to be an expensive endeavor that ruins your purse. Designing and creating your own budget-friendly DIY wall decor ideas enables you to be highly creative while remaining completely cost-effective. By choosing smart purchases of simple supplies as a long-term decor investment, you bypass ready-made store decor that isn't exactly what you wanted, replacing it with a personalized touch that makes your house look and feel like a true reflection of your taste. 2. Structural logic. Eliminating the haphazard frame. To tell your blank walls who is boss, you must stop hanging small, isolated frames that float awkwardly in the center of a giant room. This haphazard execution creates visual chaos. We begin our structural logic by analyzing the precise size, scale, and type of DIY project required to properly anchor your specific room, whether you are dealing with a strict rental apartment or a massive double-height ceiling. We execute an impactful layout by using a simple roll of painter's tape to map out a grand, geometric skeleton directly onto the drywall before picking up a tool. If you are building a personalized memory display with a DIY photo collage, do not scatter the pictures. Group them tightly within a strict, predefined grid format, ensuring all outer edges align perfectly to form one large, cohesive architectural block. This unified scaling structure grounds your entryways or living rooms, instantly turning an uninspired wall plane into a highly disciplined, premium gallery focal point. 3. Textile alchemy. DIY wall hanging ideas to refresh your space. If you want to introduce immediate style and personality into a small bedroom or an awkward hallway without much fuss, you must introduce tactile warmth. This is where DIY wall hanging ideas to refresh your space become an absolute game changer. From boho-inspired tapestries to chic minimalist hanging designs, adding physical textiles breaks up the harsh, flat coldness of plain drywall. You do not need to be a seasoned crafting genius to pull off these amazing ideas. Take affordable, textured materials like raw cotton cording, wool rovings, or a beautiful linen remnant, and implement basic macrame techniques or framed fabric hangings. Suspending these elements from a clean, stained wooden dowel adds organic depth and personality. The fabric catches the shifting light throughout the day, breathing completely new life into your surroundings while giving your space that fresh, personalized touch you've been dreaming of. 4. Advanced canvas artistry, vibrant color and mood. For those looking to transform a dull living room into a vibrant space, creating a stunning canvas art piece is an incredibly fulfilling method of adding your personal style. Instead of spending a fortune at a boutique, purchase an oversized blank canvas panel and experiment directly with bold hues or soft pastels to actively manipulate your wall's vibrancy and mood. To give your canvas a professional, high-end designer edge, apply a lightweight joint compound across the surface with a putty knife before painting. Sculpt deep, abstract ridges, waves, or clean geometric lines into the wet plaster medium. Once cured, apply a monochromatic coat of warm alabaster, deep terracotta, or muted sage. This simple texture trick creates beautiful highlights and deep cast shadows across the panel, shifting the canvas from a basic craft project into a heavy, museum-grade fine art feature. 6. The Twilight Reveal. Shadow architecture. The final designer layer of atmospheric curation that cements your budget-friendly wall projects as luxury masterpieces is your late-night directional lighting scheme. Wall decor should never look flat, washed out, or forgotten under harsh, unshielded overhead ceiling fixtures. At night, we activate our vertical canvas using the strict principles of shadow architecture. Position small, cordless LED picture lights directly above your textured canvases, or tuck adjustable puck lights beneath your geometric shelving units, angling the warm beams downward or upward across the raised plaster ridges, macrame knots, and rustic wood grains projects dramatic, oversized shadows across the entire vertical plane. This rich interplay of light and dark softens the perimeter boundaries of your home, turning your living space into a moody, cinematic sanctuary where your handmade wall triumphs stand out as absolute masterpieces of design. Thank you for sharing this design masterclass with me. My deepest prayer for you today is that you stop letting giant, empty walls intimidate your creativity or make your home feel unfinished. Grab your tools, select simple supplies, and start building the intentional, gorgeous wall masterpieces your sanctuary deserves. If you've conquered a blank wall or created a beautiful DIY wall hanging this week, tell me your story in the comments below. I want to see how you are bringing your personal story to life. Hit that subscribe button to join our community of mindful creators. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a revelation, and I will see you in our next design masterclass. Stay grounded in the light.